Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make the intro you just watched step by step, but before that please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on bell notification to learn more. First, open your Filmora 9, go to titles and drag the default title to the track below, click it, choose your desired font style and font size. In my Filmora version, the default title have typewriting effect, but if yours don't have, you can go to animations and find the typewriter effect. Type the title you want that best suited your project. Put a smoke effect of your choice. You can get royalty-free smoke video in Google. Drag the video on the movie track below. Click the speed meter icon and choose 2x speed. Make some adjustments. Put the smoke video below the default text. To achieve a different kind of typewriter effect like what I did, trust me on this one. Pile up the title to each other based on how many letters there are. Like my title calligraphy, there are 11 letters, that's why I piled up 11 titles all together. The one in the lowest title must have the only letter from the title and the letter adds on. Separate each with 8 seconds difference. Made a copy of the titles for the use later. Go to sample colors and drag the color black photo in the movie track. Put it on the top of the titles to create a camera capture effect like the one you're seeing right now. Separate the black color into your preferred time difference. Now let's go to the next set of titles. Let's do what we did to the title calligraphy. This time we are going to work on the title class. Just do the same procedure we did to the previous title. I lost the video where I showed how to edit the other part of the intro, but don't worry cause I remake them for you guys. After you finish editing the title class, take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot from clicking the camera icon below the video. Drag the photo on the movie track. Click it and click the crop box like icon. Click pan and zone, then click OK. This effect should take place and appears like this. Take a screenshot again. Drag the photo on the movie track, click the crop box like icon and click pan and zoom effect. Zoom it like what you have seen. Then double-click the screenshot photo, go to Image then Compositing. On the blending mode change it to multiply with a opacity of 100%. Do it to the both screenshot. Drag the background video or photo you want. Put it above the title. There are so many missing scenes on my recording, that is why I'm going to remake the other scenes for you. On this scene you can see the chromatic abbreviation effect. To have this effect just go to the effects and search chromatic abbreviation. Put the effect on the top of the element for the effect can be seen. Like what you are seeing right now. On the next one we can see the text color changing effects. To do this double-click your title, go to Preset, choose the text style 20. Use the style on the titles alternatively. Thank you for watching. You can watch the other videos I have in this Watch More playlist. Don't forget to like and subscribe.